Yes, now revision of the chapter AP 5. This chapter we have studied in the last class, the theory of this chapter. Now we will be doing the question, the things you must know, the formulas in this chapter, the representation of the terms used in this chapter. So if we see the questions, so questions are like this. Find the numbers. If I take question number one, find the numbers, find the number of two digit, find the number of two digit numbers which are divisible by 6. Now this question, this is what, find the number of two-digit number which are divided by 6. Two-digit numbers you have to tell how many numbers are there which are divided by 6. Two-digit number which are divided by 6. That is needed. So what you will do? Sometimes it is said three-digit numbers. So three-digit number is 100 and last number is 999. Two-digit number, when we talk about two-digit number, that is 10 till 99. So that is why you must know what is two-digit number and what is three-digit number. So first of all, you will write numbers, or you can say the two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers which are divisible by 6 are. Two-digit numbers which are divisible by 6 are 12, 18, 24, and that is last number 96. 96 is divided by 6. Now, once you have written the numbers, you have to show that these numbers are relative. So you will write first term 12, second term 18, third term 24, last term 96. You write like this. Now to show that the numbers are relative, what we do? We take the common difference. We find out the common difference. So you will write common difference D. Second term minus first term D. 18 minus 12 D, that is 6. Again D, third term minus second term third term 24 minus 18. So you will say D equal to 6. After this, what you will write? Here common difference is same. Here common difference is same. Therefore, the numbers are in AP. Here the common difference is in AP. So common difference is same. Sorry. Here the common difference is same. Therefore, 12, 18, 24, 96 are in AP. Now L 96. You know L is what? AN. So AN equal to 96. You know AN is what? A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. 96. A 12 plus N minus 1 D, that is 6. Maximum students they write like this, but in case of my negative it makes the mistake, you commit the mistake in the question. So best way is that write in bracket and then you write 96. Bring this 6 in front of this bracket. So 12 plus 6 n minus 1 equal to 96. Now you solve. That is 12 plus 6n minus 6 equal to 96. After this, you come to this side. 6n plus 6 equal to 96. 6n 96 minus 6. 6 and 19 and 15 n equal to 15. So how many numbers are there? There are n is the answer. So how many numbers which are divided by 6? 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers which are divided by 6 are 15. So this is the way you have to do the question. See all the things I have written in the proper way. Please try to do the questions like this and 100% you will do the correct question. So as the solution you will get the correct. That is very important. After that, move to the next question. So this type of questions are there in the book. Now question is 2. Is minus 150 is minus 150 a term of AP 17, 12, 2 and what. So you have to say that this minus 50 is coming in this or not. So first of all, because here AP is given, so you will write given AP 17, 12, 2 and so on. After that, what you write? First term of AP 8, that is 17. Common difference D 12 minus 13 D minus 5. minus 5. Here only one B you will find because the numbers are in AP. But when we have to say that numbers are in AP, then you have to find out common difference. Two common difference you have to find out. If the common difference is same, then you say the numbers are in AP. Now here common difference B 12 minus 17, that is minus 5. Here question is what? Is minus 150 the term? So you will say that nth term of AP is minus 150. This you write. Let nth term of AP is minus 50. So AN equal to minus 50. You know AN. We know AN is what? A plus n minus 1 into B. This is the formula. Now place the value of A and D. You will get here. That is A minus 150 equal to A is what? 17 plus n minus 1. B is minus 5. So write in the D in bracket. Always remember that D should be in bracket. First step, maximum student they make the mistake here. So after writing this, you write like this: 150, 17. This minus 5 will come this side, so it becomes minus 5 into n minus 1. Write this step. In one step or two steps, you will not be thin. So please remember that writing the steps properly, you will get the answer. Then 17, open the bracket, minus 5n plus 5. Here the students make the mistake. You cannot subtract 17 minus 5. Here the students make the mistake. So please see that. Why? Here first is the bracket. You have to open the bracket. After that you have to solve. Some students they make the mistake here. The minus, they don't write minus. Please don't write this. Minus into minus is what? Plus. So minus 150 equal to 17 plus 522 minus 5n. So minus 150 minus 22 equal to minus 5n. Minus 172 equal to minus 5n. This cancel. So 5n equal to 172, n equal to 172 upon 5. So you are getting here 5, that is 3 of 15, 4, 34, 2 upon 5. That is n. Here n is not whole number. Whole number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of AP. This is very important. So minus 150 is not a term of AP. After this, we have another question. So please see that the number of terms should be whole number. This type of questions, you will find variety of questions on this topic. So please try to do the questions of this type. Next, the sum of first 5 terms of AP. The sum, next question. The sum of first 5 terms of AP is 25 and the sum of next 5 terms is minus 75. Find the 10th term, 10th term of the AP. Find the 10th term of AP. The sum of first 5 terms of AP is 25 and sum of next 5 terms is 25. Minus 75. Sum of next 5 terms is minus 75. So what you will say? First term of AP is common difference D. You have to find out 10th term. So write that formula. What you need is A plus 9B. It means that here, if you know the A and D, if you know the value of A and D, you will get A10. But in the question, you are not having first term and the common difference. So what is given? Sum of 5 terms. So S5 is what? 25. First point is A1, that is first term, A first, A2 plus A3, A4 plus A5, that is 25. This is what? Or we know SN formula, you can apply that. SN equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S5 is what? 5 by 2, 2a plus 5 minus 1 d. How many equations? S5 is 25. 5 by 2, that is 2a plus 4d. Take 2 common, 5 upon 2 common, then a plus, or you can leave it as it is, it depends on you. So a plus 2d, this cancel, this 5 and this 25 cancel, so 5. So you will say a plus 2d equal to 5. First equation. Now, next sum of next 5 term is minus 75. So what you will, that is S1, 1 to 5 is 25 and next 5. So S10 will be what? Minus 75 plus 25. So it becomes what? S10 equal to minus 50. S10, sum of next 5 terms. S sum of next 5 terms is minus 75. That is A6, A7, A8, A9, A10 equal to 75, minus 75. So this is what. So S10 is minus 50. You will get the equation here. S10 equal to 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into b. Minus 150 equal to 10 upon 2. That is 2a plus 90. 2, 5, 5, 10. So minus 10 equal to 2a plus 90. So 2a plus 90 equal to minus 10, second equation. Solve first and second equation. Solving equation 1 and 2. You will get solving equation 1 and 2. So that is putting the value of A, putting the value of A from equation 1 in equation 2. That is A equal to 5 minus 2D. So 2 into 5 minus 2D equal to minus 10. Now find this 2 minus 5 cancel. That is 10 divided by 2. 5 minus 2d equal to minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5. Minus 2d minus 10. D 5. Then A is what? 5 minus 2 into 5. Sorry. Here we have made the mistake here. Second equation is what? 2a plus 9d. A minus 5d. That is 2 into 5 minus 2d plus 9d equal to 10. 10 minus 4d plus 90, 10. 90 minus 5d, 10. What? Minus 10 is here, so minus 10. So minus 20. So 5d, d is what? Minus 4. A, then A 5 minus 2 into minus 4. A 5 plus 8, that is 13. A is 13. Now A10. Now A10. A is 13. 9 into minus 4. A10. 13 minus 36. A10 minus 23. Answer. So this is how you have to solve the question. Simple mistake. If here A is minus 10, that's why the answer was coming wrong. So actually second equation was 2a plus 9d equal to minus 10. So this is the way you have to do the questions.